used to dread catching up on my inbox, emails would pile up, notifications distracting, and I'd waste precious time just triaging messages. Then I tried Superhuman, and it felt like my email turned into a performance lightning fast, smooth, and purposeful. But does it live up to the hype? Or is it just a fancy tool for those who love productivity theater? Superhuman is pitched as the most productive email experience ever built. It's an AI-powered, keyboard-centric email client designed to make staying on top of Gmail or Outlook not just bearable but enjoyable. Instead of forcing you into another bulky interface, it meant to accelerate your workflow, help you hit inbox zero, and let you fly through your day. First off, speed. Superhuman doesn't just excel, it blurs the lines between thought and action. Emails open instantly, search is instantaneous, and composing or moving messages feels like you're conducting an orchestra, not wrestling with slow-loading tabs. For heavy email users, that kind of seamless motion is a game changer. Then there's the keyboard-first design. The command bar is powerful. Create drafts, schedule messages, snooze emails, or show the AI assistant, all with a few keystrokes. It feels like email with superpowers. Users who hate mousing around love how naturally shortcuts flow in this app. AI tools help make daily triage smarter. Write an email from a bullet point, get summaries of long threads, call up follow-up reminders automatically, or even find the last mention of next week's meeting within your inbox. It's built to make you faster, smarter, and more deliberate. The aesthetic and design also matter. Many users, myself included, find the interface beautifully minimal, no clutter. Everything feels deliberate. It's the kind of app that feels calming in a way other email platforms never do. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. Superhuman isn't cheap. Plans start around $25–30 per user each month, cheaper annually, and go up to $33 to $40 for teams with deeper AI and CRM integrations. That investment demands real returns, typically in hours saved and mental clarity, not ideal for light email users. If you need an all-in-one platform with CRM-heavy features, marketing automation, or project tracking, Superhuman doesn't attempt to be that. It focuses deeply on email experience and expects you to let your inbox be your productivity arena, not replace your entire workflow. A huge development, Superhuman is now part of Grammarly's ecosystem. This means future versions could weave in advanced grammar assistance, task integration, calendar smarts, and automated workflows, all powered by Grammarly's AI agents. The future might feel even more seamless and extend beyond email into everyday productivity. Superhuman is for people who live in their inbox. If you're responding to hundreds of messages weekly, chasing deals, juggling projects, or managing deep workflows, it's built to make you faster, more intuitive, and mentally clear. But if email is a peripheral tool for you, or budget is tight, it might feel like overkill, and save your time. Apps like free clients or lightweight extensions may give you enough. This is a power tool, not a casual app. So here's the takeaway. If your inbox is the heartbeat of your daily productivity, and you value speed, design, and AI-powered efficiency, Superhuman could be worth every penny. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you trade speed and design for price? Or does your email workflow deserve the Ferrari upgrade? Let's talk next time.